Thanks for staying on with us. I have with me Alex Chai. He is the Regional Equities Research Head at RHB Investment. We're talking about their latest book, RHB Top 20. And yes, now is the cream of the creme de la creme of the conversation. What would be some of the companies that you are interested in mentioning in this particular interview when it comes to the top 20 from the compendium, as you would use that vocab of the RHB Top 20 book?
Right. I think some of the 6 companies that we had featured on in the breakout sessions following the launch this morning are some names that you might want to take a look at. I think companies like Kumpulan PowerNet, the controlling shareholders have a strong track record in the industry in terms of securing deals. I think it's it's worth looking at. The deal flow line is certainly very strong. Solar Vests Holdings is another company that is exposed to the renewable energy space, and it's another one that is worth looking closely at. And of course, you have names like SCGM that is involved in manufacturing of plastic packaging products. In this day and age where if you have more stay-at-home takeout as opposed to dining, then these packaging products are obviously flying off the shelves. And of course, not forgetting companies in the construction space. One of the small dynamic contractors that we like, with a strong positioning in the ERL project, is a company called Gabongan AQRS, which is also definitely worth a look.
Yeah, of course. Another company that I want to tap into is Omesti, which is also quite interesting to look at. Why would you guys feature Omesti there?
Omesti is interesting on the back of its exclusive partnership with Huawei. It's really the title of our two-pager is a transformation-led growth story. So basically, it's a technology player in Malaysia that offers a range of enterprise and service solutions for infrastructure, data, and software. We think that this is a big turnaround story given the major impairment exercise that the company conducted back in 2018. So right now, following that kitchen sinking and the resumption of a contract to develop a new digital core registry platform for the company's commission to digitally manage corporate data is going to be a strong base, for the company's earnings going forward the next couple of years. But of course, what is getting people excited is clearly the appointment by Huawei. Given that 5G implementation is going to be a key driver for the technology sector over the next couple of years, and Huawei being one of the leaders in 5G, be a major positive plus point for small companies like Omesti.
Fantastic. Okay, we have to draw this conversation to a close. What would be some of the final words that you have for some investors out there, either veteran investors or budding investors that want to look into small and mid-cap moving forward?
Well, I think right now, it brings me back to the saying, make hay while the sun shines. Clearly, we've not had such a vibrant FBM KLCI in terms of retail participation for quite some time, and it just means that the interest in finding undiscovered gems is very real. There is a lot of focus on undiscovered small and mid-cap names. Everybody wants to find the next precious metal, we think that the added volatility that we've seen in the market is clearly very welcome to traders, and hence in the short term we think that the market is a very much a trading market. But of course, you need to be actively involved and aware and be knowledgeable about what you're actually investing in, as opposed to be as opposed to buying on rumor and buying on tips from your friendly taxi driver, for example.
Or WhatsApp group right now. My WhatsApp group has all the stuff going on there. It's scary actually to refer to
That's
WhatsApp.
right. So I think one needs to be knowledgeable, and do your homework before getting your feet wet, particularly in volatile small caps.
Fantastic. Sound advice. Thanks, Alex, for taking the time to speak with us again. I'm pretty sure you're busy. I won't take much more of your time. If you've missed any part of this interview, just head on to astro.com. Look for Notepad over there. Plenty of interviews such as this. This has been an interesting conversation. Alex, one last thing. If people want to find out more about the book, where do they go to?
Speak to your friendly remiser, who will be able to put you in contact and get your copy of the book.
Yeah. No WhatsApp group to join, or Telegram group to join. Thanks again, Alex. You can also watch these kind of interviews on your mobile devices. Just download the Astro AWANI app wherever you get the application. Until then, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.